In this project, we will learn how to use a push button and an LCD display to create a simple counter. Each time the push button is pressed, the displayed number on the LCD increases by 1. The push button acts as an input, and the variable keeps track of how many times it has been pressed, updating the LCD to show the current count. Program instructions. Let's create the code blocks for the counter program using LCD display. For this project, we first need to create a variable and name it as counter. Steps to create a variable. Go to the variables category in the block palette. Click on the Create Variable button. Enter the name of your variable, example counter, and click OK. Once the variable is created, you will see 3 blocks with the variable name, a set block, a change block, and a reporter block. These blocks will help you work with the variable in your program. Add I2C initialization blocks. Drag and drop the initialize I2C on pins block and set the appropriate pins, e.g. 18 and 19 and frequency. Drag and drop the initialize I2C LCD block. Update the I to C address based on your device settings. Set the initial counter value. Drag and drop the set counter block from the variables category. Assign the value 0 to initialize the counter. This will be the starting number from which the counter will increment. Create a loop and condition. Drag and drop a repeat while true block from the control category to create an infinite loop. Inside this loop, drag and drop an if block to add a condition that checks for a button press. Clear the LCD screen. Drag and drop the I2C LCD clear screen. Block inside the if block. This ensures the LCD display is cleared before showing the updated value. Increment the counter. Drag and drop the change counter by 1 block from the variables category into the if block. This will increase the counter value by 1 each time the condition is met. Example: button press. Display the counter value. Drag and drop the I2C LCD draw text block inside the if block after the change counter block. Use the variable counter as the value to be displayed on the LCD. This will show the current count. Add a delay. Drag and drop a sleep block after the I2C LCD draw text block. Set a short delay. Example: 0.5 seconds. Circuit connection. Connect the I2C LCD display to QuadHUB. Double-check and make sure the connections are given as per the pin numbers that you have selected in your program. Pause the video until you complete your circuit connection. Now, the program is complete and ready to be downloaded. Each time the button is pressed, the counter value will update and display on the LCD screen.